KTCC presents Karnataka Business Awards.
We have the Best Auto Care Studio of the Year. The Best Auto Care Studio of the Year award goes to Carebot Car Care. Let's hear a round of applause to the team, Carebot Car Care. A dynamic team of young boys coming together, striving hard, excelling in the field, and today coming on stage to receive the award. Hearty congratulations to the Best Auto Care Studio of the Year, Carebot Car Care. Let's welcome them on stage with a round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody really wants to take good care of their car, and if you really are up for that, then why not Carebot Car Care, where they take care of all the cars that come to their place, detail it, and definitely scenic on the roads, dazzling and shining. Carebot, congratulations to the team.